volcán, beba conmigo y si se empaña, de vez en cuando mi voz alcanza, no es que la llore porque la engaño, yo sé que un hombre no debe llorar. Si lo
I didn't even know he was going to do that.
Yeah. Oh, actually, let's do another angle. And so you'll notice I wasn't even holding her with my left arm. You know, you could have your left arm here and you could scratch your head.
bajo el árbol de sol donde un día la besé, hoy al verla embellecida y otro brazo entregada, fue para mí una puñalada y de celo me cegué, y te juro todavía no consigo.
So in a sense, what I'm doing with my right arm is I hold her tight and I go, so you know, bigger ones, I'll go.
Except that's way too big.
Yeah, much too big. But as I do that, the thought is, you'll see I pull her in around and then I do a little bit of a impulse to get the leg to kick up. So it's in, around, impulse, yes, and it's like a C. And then it hits. And it's very small once again, and as you do this, the around is very subtle, but the in can be a little bit more. So along this axis, it's very stable because she has her leg there, you have your legs there, that's the line. So you go off the line, it has to be very subtle or you'll fall over. So instead it's just there, or from this way, it's just there.
In other words, it's one of these really fancy C's. So it doesn't have a lot of this, it has a that shape. And it's the curling around on the bottom that makes it the C rather than the coming out.
Right, describing the line of the leader's movement.
Right.
For the followers, as you do this, you want, as you go forward, to let that leg move you. And when he has that little bit of an inward strike, I'm almost going to call it, you're going to let your thigh come in, and then when you hit his leg, then you hit bang.
Bang.
It's all about the sound effect. Actually, why am I turning this way? Much better angle from here. So it starts, we'll both change weight, and then I'll change weight, but she won't. I'll hold in and up, and I'll go back on my left this time, turning my hips away. And the reason I turn my hips away is so that I can offer her the back of my knee. If I'm like this, then when she tries the gancho, she'll hit my knee and it won't feel very good. Gancho's always back of the knee to back of the knee.
So show that position again. Because it's awkward for the men.
And notice also that I have my back leg back, and that's so that when we're in this lean, the front leg is for show. Maybe I'll put a few pounds for balance, but almost no weight because we're leaning and my weight's on my back foot and her weight's on her front foot. And
Actually,
so then I'm just going
to
either foot, right? They're both the same place. And then with this foot, with barely any weight, then she can gancho with my knee turned away. Last time.
Beba conmigo y si se empaña, de vez en cuando mi voz alcanza, no es que la llore